Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Echoes of Islam. You know, a lot of people think being close to Allah means long prayers or big moments of worship, but honestly, some of the most beautiful parts of the Prophet's peace be upon him. Daily life were the small things. A few words before eating, a dua before leaving the house. These tiny habits kept him connected to Allah all day, not just during Salah. Today I want to share 5 of these small but powerful duas, ones you can start using today. The first one is before eating. You simply say Bismillah, in the name of Allah. If you forget and remember halfway through your meal, you say Bismillahi awwalahu wa akhirah. In the name of Allah at its beginning and its end. There's a hadith in Sahih Muslim where the Prophet explains that when a person doesn't mention Allah's name before eating, Shaitan considers it permission to share in that meal. So this simple word is actually a real protection. I try to say this even for a quick snack, not just full meals. It keeps the habit alive. The second is when you leave your house. Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah, wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. In the name of Allah, I place my trust in Allah. There is no power except with Allah. This dua is recorded in Sunnah and in it, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that whoever says this will be told, you are guided, sufficed and protected, and Shaitan moves away from them. So next time you walk out your door, even for something small, try saying this. It takes 3 seconds but carries real weight. Third, when you wake up, Alhamdulillahi alladhi ahyana ba'da ma amatana wa ilayhi nushur. Praise be to Allah who gave us life after death, and to him is the return. This is found in Sahih Bukhari, narrated by the companion Hudhaifa, who said, this is what the Prophet, peace be upon him, would say every time he opened his eyes in the morning. Sleep is described almost like a small death, so waking up is literally a new chance given to you. I try to say this before even checking my phone in the morning. It changes how the whole day. Fourth, before entering the bathroom, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal khaba'ith. Oh Allah, I seek refuge in you from evil and evil things. This is narrated in both Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim from Anas ibn Malik, who said, this is what the Prophet, peace be upon him, used to say before entering. It becomes automatic once you build the habit. Fifth, for any time life feels hard. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazna idha shita sahla. Oh Allah, nothing is easy except what you make easy, and you make difficulty easy if you will. This one is recorded by Ibn Hibban and is well known from the collection Hisnul Muslim. I personally say this one especially when I'm anxious before something. An exam, a hard conversation, anything overwhelming. It's a reminder that ease isn't random. It comes from Allah. These du'as take seconds to say, but they're a way of keeping Allah in your everyday moments. Not just in prayer, but in eating, sleeping, walking out the door, even in hard times. You don't need to memorize all 5 today. Just pick one and try building that habit this week. That's how real change happens. Small and consistent. If this helped you, follow along, because next week we'll keep building on habits like this together.